Hello everyone, welcome to Commerce Speaks. In my last video, I have explained you what is the meaning of human activities. In that, the human activities are divided into economic activity and non-economic activity. Further, the economic activity is again divided into three types. In that video, I have given you a brief intro of types of economic activities. The first is the profession, the second is the employment, and the third is the business. In this video, I am going to explain you what is the meaning of profession. Now friends, let's see what is the meaning of profession. A profession is an occupation that requires specialized qualification, knowledge, and training. Every person cannot become a professional. Why? Because it requires certain qualification, knowledge, and training. For clear understanding, if we take the example of an MBBS doctors, first what they have to do, they have to pursue the degree of MBBS, plus they have to take the training under their senior doctors. Then only they can start their practice. Immediately after passing the exams also they can't start the practice because they need to get trained. So always professionals needs to get trained beside getting the qualifications. So it is the similar case with every type of the profession. Not only the degree or the qualification is required, plus they need to have the training under their seniors. Second is, it is a part of economic activity. Because when a professional is rendering his service, why he is rendering? Because he wants some fees from the clients. So whenever the money is involved in any activity, the motive behind doing that activity is earning some money, then it becomes an economic activity. So profession is also an economic activity. The purpose of which is to render personal service. Always remember, in profession and in employment, always the services are provided. No goods are exchanged between the parties. Only in business the goods are exchanged between the parties, but in case of profession and also in employment, only the services are provided. So what happens if you are going to a doctor, if you are going to a lawyer, what they are doing? They are providing some services to the clients in return for some fees. So they are rendering their specialized and expert nature services to the people, and they are getting the fees from their clients. So it becomes an economic activity. Always profession is based on education qualification, knowledge, and skills. As I told you in the first point also, always a profession requires certain qualification, knowledge, and also skills on the part of the person doing that profession. If we take the example, doctor, engineer, chartered accountant, and lawyer. I have given you only four, but there are many professions which requires special qualification and also the skills and knowledge. These are some of the examples of the profession. Now next is, for providing services, they charge some fees. You can see here. For their services, what they do? They are charging some fees from the person to whom they are giving their services. So it becomes what? It becomes their earnings. So they are not providing their services for free. They are also earning by rendering their services to the clients. So it becomes an economic activity because it is involving the exchange of money. Lastly, friends, you must have heard about the term professional. What is a professional? A person doing a job that needs a special skills, education, and training are called as professionals. You can take the examples of doctors, engineers, chartered accountants. What they are? They are professionals. I hope you understood the topic. If you like the topic, If you understood the topic, please do subscribe and comment down below. Thank you so much.